When life happens and your property suffers any kind of disaster, SERVPRO is your best choice to provide the solutions you need. We know that regardless of the size of a project, small or large, it's always the most important job to you, and that makes it the most important job to us. From flooding to fires, man-made or natural disasters, restoring damaged structures and contents is easy. It's what we do, and our goal is to always do it quickly and correctly. But we never forget that it's the human element, serving the customer, that's our most important responsibility. We're the local SERVPRO operator, your neighbor, and we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to provide emergency services whenever you might need us. Our SERVPRO team of technicians and support staff are highly trained disaster recovery specialists. We're aware of the impact a property disaster has on a home or a business, and we care. When property disaster impacts your life, when life happens to you, call us. We'll do our best to make it like it never even happened.